Alright, what can you get for £5 and not from the car boot? So this is from a market of all places, selling sort of second-hand things from a box. So this is what I thought I'd just chance. Let's see what we have. I've got something that's a bit hooked up here. I think you can tell. Now I run an old car, a old Ford, and I've mislaid some of my previous adapters and things, but I thought you can't pass on this. It's an AWR car audio cassette adapter. So I thought that'd be pretty cool, pretty retro. Stick that into the car radio, and that's the way it goes. Actually, it goes in that way, and that goes in the end of old style phone or music player, because obviously some of the newer phones don't have the jack, do they? But that will fit a few of my devices. I've got plenty of things that will work, so that's good. Right, the next thing was one of these. I thought you can't really go wrong with something like this. This looks to be a digital to analog converter, and I thought that's really cool. It's even got a headphone socket. So don't know if this works, well, I don't know if any of it works, but the fact that it's got the input here, the digital and the coaxial input, standard kind of USB input there, I thought that's definitely worth £1, isn't it? Don't know anything about that brand, but anyway, yeah, the screws are a little bit rusty. Let's hope it's not rusty inside. Right, the next thing was this hard disk. I just thought I recognise this particular model. I've got a Samsung, and I believe I've got the same model working, so I thought I could just try that. Maybe if the board's not working, I could do a board swap, and it might, you know, it might work. But I thought for £1, you know, why not? I did shake it, and there's nothing obviously loose in it, so maybe it's just reporting bad sectors and things. So that's that. Next thing was a tape, reel-to-reel. Now I have got a reel-to-reel recorder, and I thought why not just chance it and see what's on it. So it does say the sound of strings, I think. So that's probably some interesting music there. We shall see. But it looked to be in reasonable condition, not overly mouldy, just dusty. And then the last thing was this Logic adapter for a laptop. So this is 19 volt, 4.74 amps. And I think that this one, you can maybe use adapters with it, or it might just go straight into a laptop. But I figured anyway, it's worth £1, isn't it? An adapter like that. So that's what I picked up from the local market. In my future videos, I will play this on my reel-to-reel. I will test some of this other stuff out,